Yo, what's up guys, it's Bart here from iqoptionwiki.com, and in this video I want to talk a little bit about the moving average strategy and how we can use the moving average and how it works and what we can do with it. And remember, always never use one indicator for a strategy, but always try to find the indicators that work for you well and try to combine those. Let's go to the IQ Option Wiki website. Short notice for this website, a lot of value here. If you haven't visited yet, visit it. If you want to open a free demo account to start practicing at the IQ Option platform, IQ Option is a very easy platform to start out with your trading. Highly recommend it. Link is in the description down below. Anyway, but we're going to talk about moving average in this video. So a moving average shows you the average movement of the market. Now we can go really deep into moving averages. There are many different moving averages, but for this video I just want to focus on the simple moving average. So one more note is that, of course, we're moving out the moving average. So now what we can do with this moving average is that we can take two different time periods. As you can see here in this screenshot, we have a 21 and a 5 moving average, and that is a pretty common strategy to use for moving average. And what we're going to try to find is a crossover of these two moving averages, and that can with this we can predict a trend reversal. So if you see these 21 and these 5 moving average crossing over, that can mean a trend reversal. So let's go to the IQ Option platform and set it up and look at a few examples. So now we're in the IQ Option platform. Go again to the bottom left corner and go to moving average. And you see here, there are loads of moving averages to choose from. They're all different in some sort of way. They're having all their own thing and their own special something. We're going to use the simple moving average. And the default setting will be 14, but we're going to change this one to 5 and yellow. Then we're going to open again here's and again moving averages. We're going to take and we're going to make that one set them up in 21, and we're going to make that red. Just red. So you can already see there are two moving averages now, and it's about to cross over here. So this could be a trend reversal, but this is only one indicator that we're looking at. So never go out of one indicator. Always try to find more indicators. But this is a good strategy example because you can see here. Let me get my drawing tools. You can see here, you see it crosses over, and a nice steady trend follows. You see here it crosses over and it makes a downtrend. So here again I scrolled a little bit back in time, but here again a few examples. You see here a crossover, and you see a nice going up trend here all the way up. Then it crosses a few times with a little bit of more volatility in the market. Then you see here nice crossover, and you see this whole long trend down. And then you see here again it crosses over, and then it makes a pretty nice uptrend over here. So you can see that by looking at the crossovers of the two moving averages, it can be a very good indicator for an ongoing trend for a longer period of time. So if you want to know more about it, you can also read the articles on IQ Option Wiki. I put a link in the description down below. And thank you for watching and happy trading. Peace out.